company. I think we couldn't have get this much of support from maybe from other XYZ company, but the kind of support we have got from Design Cafe was really, really good.
And actually, when you start living, and then you'll get to know the quality and how it feels staying in this kind of design. So I felt after 1 year, it is almost 1 year, the quality is really good. You can see everything is well maintained.
Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Akash Piyush, and before I talk about my house, I'm an employee of Design Cafe, and yes, this is my house entrance. If you see the TV unit, we haven't done much of the design. We have just taken a kind of a wooden, we made a frame behind, and then it looks like a frame and TV in center. And even if you see the cabinet storage space, we have kept it very minimum, very simple as it is, to ensure we maintain this space and the free area of our entire interior. Yeah, here is my kitchen, and this is my younger cousin brother Piyush. And yes, this is our house, and including herself and my family member. Her name is Daisy. And coming to our kitchen area, again, it's very spacious, very minimum in terms of the I would say design wise. Initially, I would like to add a point here. If you see this as a U shape, right? But when we got this house, it was the only A shape, L shape kitchen. But when we thought we can use this area as and make a slab here where we can use this space as one of the storage area. So this entire space is a U space, and also, if you see at bottom, there's one small storage space. I got it done from Design Cafe. Just press, and then you see a small storage space where I can keep all my utensils, like cleaning stuff, and some small stuff which requires small space. This is what we really like about Design Cafe, because we haven't found this anywhere while we are searching about the design. It's something unique about this space, and most of my friends have really loved this area because no one generally thinks about it, getting a small storage at the bottom of your kitchen area, especially in the bottom area.
Favorite area is this area because it is actually useful to keep inside everything, and it is zero wastage actually, this area. And also this part actually I utilize mainly to cut and chop anything and watch TV also.
Oh wow, so who cooks more?
That's a good question. It depends on our mood. If I'm in good mood, I cook a lot. If he's in good mood, he bakes a lot.
Oh,
he bakes, I cook.
Do you think storage-wise the kitchen really helps when you're cooking?
Exactly. Now if you see the area, we want an easy access to all masala, so we got this rack to ensure all the masala kept properly and easy. It's very easy, very handy. When I cook, I can simply pull out one masala, I can add it here, because this is something generally people used to keep it a little above with the cover area, but then we kept it open to ensure the access while we cook should be easy, because we don't have time at all. The time is very important when we start cooking, because we always think of ensuring we do cooking as early as possible, because a lot of things to do in a day.
How easy has it been to maintain this space?
First of all, the finishes what we have taken, that's, you can see it's not a glossy, it's kind of a matte finish, and it doesn't get stained so quickly. And even
it is stain proof. Even the dado is stain proof.
Important part of our storage, if you see this area, the corner area is something we always miss out when we do our design. But to ensure we use the entire space, we got this rolling rack, where you can see you can roll this rack from every corner, and you can keep all your stuff, and you can you can ensure all the areas in the corner space actually being used properly. This is one best part of even Design Cafe. They ensure whatever areas they have, they use it in a way that nothing go wasted, right? This is what. And yes, again, if you see the kitchen area is not that big, so we can have a separate space for that RO. Generally in an RO you see that it will be on the top of your basin, but then we have realized we don't have space to even to keep our wash utensil beside the basin. It's very small, so that's why we got this area with a countertop storage space where we can wash and keep our utensils. And bottom we got this counter, under sink RO, so which is again a more space saving thing for us. So in that way we are actually using the entire whole area in a way that also we get a space here. It looks very open, doesn't look very small in terms of how small is the space. Even if you see it looks quite big, but then if you start using this area was keeping our wash utensil to look very small, so we don't want that. So we always wanted our entire house should be very, very spacious, and we both should feel free. My favorite place actually, this is actually bar and crockery unit and also a dining space here. What the best part of this, I can use this area as a multiple way. Like I can use this dining table for my fine dining, and also I can use this for my party, I would say house party. And you can see we have made a small bar counter here with a small area with a small limited options to ensure I use all of it for myself and for my brother for our house party, simple gathering, nothing beyond that. But the table is something which we really loved it. This I can use it while I can have the regular meal, where I can also use this, and this will use it during house party, which will give me kind of a feeling of yes, I'm in bar, having a high bar table and enjoying the moment with my friends, with my family. Moving towards now to our living space. Here it is, the living space. Again, it's very simple, not too much of design. We have one storage area here, and this is only meant for the fish because my brother, he loves fish as a pet. So for his happiness, for his own requirement, we got this, and this storage space come aquarium where we can keep it. And it's just a minimum thing, nothing beyond that. And if you see, the entire area is very minimum with the one lounge chair and one sofa, but nothing, and two small tool, all of like velvety touch. It has all the furniture has a velvety touch. And to match up this and to make sure we are matching with the entire theme of the house, so we got something blue color, whitish color and grey color together, so it will match up together in one space. And if you see, this is enough for two people to use the entire living space. So I don't need too much of furniture, as mentioned, as I've been keep telling you, I want our space very airy, very spacious. That's the reason why we kept very, very minimum things even in a living room.
So I think this is our favorite area, both of ours, and we had actually lot of challenges. जैसे आकाश ये wall था. So
yeah, this wall is something of challenging piece, because when we got this house, it was what happened initially. We thought of putting a wallpaper. Then we were like roaming around in one of the I would say company, like they sell tiles. Actually, that was initially a search for the dado tile for the kitchen, but then while searching for dado tile, we found this, a wall cladding.
So what's your favorite thing that you
this mirror, because we have made this mirror only for posing. We both do bodybuilding.
I would add one point, he loves bodybuilding, even I do, but he's very, very passionate about bodybuilding, so he always daily poses here in front of mirror.
So we have spotlight here,
yeah.
And this spotlight actually gives the vibe that you can do posing properly, you can see your structure.
Wow.
So that's why this full length mirror is the favorite.
What is your favorite then, Akash, here?
Here, like my workspace. That's what I really
Such
love.
a workaholic.
Not a workaholic.
And also the bed, because he uses this bed like anything, rolling here and there, and he loves this headboard designed by the architect. So this is the best thing he likes.
Yeah, this is all about our living. Master
bedroom.
bedroom. And yeah, we got some rack here to keep some of our
Trophies.
trophies.
Wow,
Memories.
that trophy belongs to?
Him.
Oh, and that is?
That is Mr. Karnataka title winner.
Oh my goodness, no wonder the posing and bodybuilding.
He
He also has this. This one belongs to him.
It's only
Mr.
smaller
World.
one.
Mr. World.
Smaller one.
Oh, that's Mr.
I'm not
World.
too
That's
serious.
Mr. World, okay.
Oh, that's Mr. World.
I'm not too serious. I'm just doing it for the fun, for the
And just
for
get
my
the medal and come
enjoyment.
back.
Yeah.
And one more thing I would like to show, like, in the cupboard. So,
Oh yeah.
yeah, this cupboard we have chosen in this way that you have to pull out just for the clothes. And actually this is very nicely designed that, like, you don't have to go inside to see what clothes are there. Just pull out and use it.
Yeah.
So this is also a beautiful part of our daily routine, that we don't have to struggle to find our clothes.
And also we got the lighting done inside the cupboard to ensure there's no darkness generally when you open the cupboard you'll see little dark. You won't find stuff in your cupboard. So we got this lighting done to ensure we see all the stuff where it is kept and how it is kept. And also it gives a nice, a modern feeling of a cupboard here.
So now I'll take you to my room. This is my room where I do my work.
This is his work room, not my room.
No, I sleep also here sometimes. And this is the best part. This one, which gives me, like, whenever I do online video calls, this ambience gives me a look like, beautiful place where I'm sitting and talking. We have the mirror and also easy access to the drawer. You don't have to struggle for it. And I love the ambience with this light color theme and also the woody touch. And you'll love this desk for working, because this is completely comfortable for a person ergonomically. You can open it, you have all your stuff, and you can have easy access to your books or anything.
There was a challenge. Initially what happened, this table size was bigger than what you see right now. It was still here. Then we have realized the area of moving from here to here would be very small. Then on our request, we have told them to please cut down the size of table to ensure at least we get this much space and we can use it even for the workstation. And this is what we have seen, how the team of DesignCafe have taken our request immediately, and immediately within, I would say, during an execution time, they have really helped us in getting this entire table smaller than what it was earlier. That was
What was
one
the
thing.
biggest challenge that you faced?
Biggest challenge about the Puja
unit.
Yes. Initially the Puja unit is supposed to be in this side. But then, see, we are like a bachelor, right? We don't really know the right direction of keeping Puja unit.
I understand.
So while we executed all of this, when we're in execution phase, our family relative, my family auntie and his mother, told us that Puja unit should be in this direction. Also, we consulted with one of our friends. He stays up in 4th floor. He said, no, it should be in this direction. And we're like, oh God, we have all got it done, like the drilling for the lighting. The lighting you see here, it was all done. It was all prepared, ready for me to install the jali here. But then when we realized this is actually going wrong, so what we've done, immediately we got the project manager and project owner who were doing this. I told him on the request, multiple requests, though there was a kind of a, because this is actually entire design change, right? It's not something we're making a minor movement, it's actually a design change. When you talk about design change, obviously this requires a lot of time for us to take an approval. But then, despite of that, we have requested it's a design change. Again, people have to go through the entire measurement of this area to move this Puja unit to this right direction of a Puja unit, how it should be. And they have actually supported us in a way that we should not feel like they left us with the issues and they haven't came up with a solution. They have taken our request, they have supported us in moving the entire, the lighting to this area. They have again redone the entire lighting, wiring things, So this is a challenge what we have really seen, and this is one of the biggest challenge. Why? Because Puja is something which you need to make it really good, really in the right direction, so it should not affect your entire house right? So because that's what being a Hindu, it's very important to keep our puja things should be as
What's east?
towards east, and it should be in the right kept it in the right way and in right directions, that especially for your house, right? And that is for your own house, not a rented house. Rented house तो चलता है कहीं भी रख दो.
Heard a lot about you guys. You guys have been talking about each other for a
Lot.
long time.
I would like to know what lot about us.
Now I would want to do a quick rapid fire as well.
Okay.
I'm sure it's going to be fun. We go?
Sure.
Awesome.
Phew.